High water pressure in the home can cause all kinds of problems. Most people don't realize it, but high water pressure is not a good thing. Think of a home as a body. What happens if you have high blood pressure? It puts a strain on the rest of the organs in your body. If there is high water pressure in the home, bad results happen as well. There could be banging pipes, the aerator splitting, or damage to the vegetable sprayer. More importantly, it can shorten the life of a water heater, and you can end up with leaking faucets. If there's a leaking faucet on one side of the home, it can actually shorten the life of the washing machine, the dishwasher, and you could have running toilets on the other side of the home. Leaking faucets shorten the life expectancy of any termination point in the house, not just the faucets, but everywhere that you have water-related appliances. So having high water pressure is not a good thing. Normal water pressure is generally between 40 and 60 psi. Most homeowners prefer something right in the middle around 50 psi for the efficient operation of all water termination points.